Hello students, let us go with the next lecture, that is week 1 assignment 1 of NPTEL programming in Java. So let us go with the questions. What is the first question? Which of the following is not primitive data type? So int is a primitive, boolean is a primitive, string is non-primitive, char is a primitive. So our option is C. Okay, so let us go with the next question. Which of the following program, consider the following program. So he is given this program. So let us see what is the answer for this. First line, you can see here, there is no syntactic error in the first two lines. So they have created a byte data type. Okay, so the byte data type is X and it is holding 127. Done. What is next one? X plus plus. Now, what is this plus pluses? It's an increment operator and it is post increment operator here. So you should know one thing about increment operator. When I say X plus plus, it is not equal to X plus 1. So remember that it is not equal to X plus 1. What increment operator will do? Increment operator will find the next element in the series. So remember, increment operator increases the value of the variable. That is what the main definition. So it is going to find what? The next element in the series. So what is the series here? So you should know what is a range of byte. So the range of the byte is minus 128 to 127 plus 127. So in the given problem, so he said X plus plus. So already my X is at 127. So when I say X plus plus, increment operator is going to the next element in the series. So here, what is the next element? So it will be the looping process. Now, what is the next element you got? Minus 128. So here, the X value is changed to minus 128. Next is what? Plus plus X. So what is the next element in the series? So the next element would be what? Minus 127. So plus plus X here, the X has become minus 127. So remember this, very much important for increment operator. So what increment operator will do? It is going to find out the next element in the series. So here the answer is what? 127. Which 27? 127 minus 127. So let us go for the option called P. So this is very, very, very much important to be remembered. Okay. So that is the main intention behind this question. So let us go with the next question. Which of the following concept that Java doesn't support? Okay. Inheritance. Oops concept. So Java supports oops. Inheritance of oops concept. So yes, it will support. Encapsulation. Yes, it will be supported. Pointers. No. Our Java doesn't support pointers and it supports arrays. So our option is C. Let us go with the next question. Which of the following is not a keyword? So you can see, let us see, go with one by one. Import. Import is a keyword through which you can import a class. Super is a keyword through which you can access immediate parent information. Method, it is not a keyword because we don't have a method keyword. So here the option is C. Let us go with class. Class is also keyword through which you can define a class. So finally our output is method. Clear? So let us go with the next one. Consider the following program. Okay, he said to consider the following program. Let us go with step by step here. So what will be the output of the program if it is executed? Good. So there are no syntax errors in these two lines. So X is equal to 12, 10, 20, 0, 1, 5. So when I go with this, so X is an array. So let us go with this. What is this? So the decimal number 12 and next is 20. Now look at this carefully. This is not a decimal number. It is a octal number. What is that? It is an octal number. How did you know that? It is preceded with 0. So any number which is starting with 0 is called octal number. Now what if you convert this octal number into decimal number, what is the output? So let us go with this. Octal number is 15. So you know how to convert into octal to decimal, right? So simply what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this one with 8 power 0 and the next digit with 8 power 1. So 1 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0. So it is 1 into 8, it is 8 plus 5 into 1 is 5. So what is the answer? 13. So what is stored in the array? 13, not 015. So 015, it is octal. You should convert into decimal and the decimal equivalent is 13. Well, let us printing it out. So he's just printing it out. So x of 5, what is going to print? Yes, 12. X of 1, 20. X of 2, 13. So what is the answer? 12, 20, 13. So what is the intention behind this question? He wants you to know the different number formats. Okay, right. So let us go with the next question in the series. Right. Match the following Java terms with their descriptions. So here you can see this. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit, right? Which has all the libraries that are required to develop your whole Java program, compiling, running, and all those. So yes, a software development kit. He said directly, it's a development kit that provides all the necessary tools, libraries to develop and compile and run the program. Yes, so it matches with JDK, right? What is JRE? It's a runtime environment, right? So it says that it's a runtime, a software a software package that provides a necessary runtime environment. Yes, that is JRE. What is JVM? Virtual machine, which is going to execute your Java bytecode, right? So this is the option. So I can simply say A1, B2, C3. So option is A. So let us go with the next question in this. Consider the following program, okay? And let us look at the program. And he's asking what will be the output of the program. Yes, let us look at step by step. So there is no error in this. There is no syntax error in this. Now let us go here. So X is what? X is storing 20 and it is a short variable. Remember, it's a short variable. Okay, done with this step. Now X into 2. What is X into 2? X is 20 and into 2 is what? So it is going to become 20 into 2. So answer is 40. Now please be careful what you're performing here, arithmetic operation. The minimum output of arithmetic operation is integer type. What is that? Integer type. So what is this now? 40 is integer and you're trying to save that one where? In the short. In the short. So which will lead to an error. So what is that error? Compile time error saying what? Lossy conversion. That is int to short. So you're trying to convert integer to short. So lossy conversion from int to short. That is the compile time error that you're going to get for this problem. So I can say my answer is compile time error. Clear? So compile time error. Now let us go with the next question in this series. Okay. What will be the output of the following code? So let us go with this. Now here, yes, there is no problem. Public static void main. Yes, there is no problem. He said boolean x equal to true. Okay, x is a boolean type which is holding true and y is holding false. So he said x is equal to y. So he's comparing. Is true is equal to false? No, no, it's not. So what is the output it is going to generate? False. And that false you're saving where? In Z. And when you print Z, what is output you're going to get? Output we are going to get is false. Clear? So let us go with the next one, false, that is option C. Now let us go with the next question. So it's a direct question. Which program is used to compile Java source code? So we know that Java is a compiler tool which is used to compile your code. So the answer is direct here. And you know what is Java PS? So assembler, Java to execute your program, and Java D for the documentation. Okay. So option here is P. Let us go with the last question. Consider the following program. Okay. What is idea? Public class question. Public static void main. You can see here. Public static void main. String args. Okay, fine with this. Next, let me go with the next step. So he said integer type is x, that is 5. And what is doing here? X into 2 plus 8. Now what he has used here? Shorthand assignment. I can simply say that shorthand arithmetic assignment. So if I expand this, how the statement can be written? X is equal to X into 2 plus 8. This is the meaning of this statement. So what is X? Already we know that. So the X is 5 into 2 plus 8 is what? 10. What is 5 tens are? 50. And you're saying where? In the X variable. So what is the answer here? A, option A, that is 50. And you can submit your answers. Thank you for watching.